In today's video, I'm going to teach you about vertical angles, and I'll teach you all the tricks you need to know about it. So if we have a problem here that says which angle is vertical to angle ABD? Well, first let's understand the meaning of vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles formed opposite each other when two lines intersect. Okay, so we have a few lines here that are intersecting. So now we're looking at angle ABD. Let's identify it, ABD. So that's this angle here, okay? So the angle that is opposite to it is this one, right? It's directly opposite, which was formed by the two intersecting lines. So angle ABD, this angle is opposite to angle ABD, and it's called angle CBG. So CBG is vertical to angle ABD. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, you could download my ebook. In my ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.